Philips Sonicare toothbrush charging problems are extremely common, especially with models that use the charging glass system. Understanding how this technology works is the first step to fixing these issues. The charging glass uses inductive charging technology, which transfers power wirelessly through electromagnetic fields. This system has several key components that must work together perfectly. There are 5 main causes of charging failures. Oxidation and corrosion of metal contacts is the most common issue, followed by misalignment problems and water damage. The first troubleshooting step is cleaning the metal contacts. Use isopropyl alcohol of 70% or higher to clean the contacts on the toothbrush handle. Remove mineral deposits with white vinegar solution. Next, inspect your charging base for cracks or damage. Clean the charging surface with a damp cloth and ensure the toothbrush is properly aligned in the charging position. Check that the LED indicator shows the charging status. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve 85% of Sonicare charging issues. Regular maintenance and proper cleaning can prevent most charging problems from occurring in the first place. When basic cleaning doesn't resolve your Sonicare charging issues, several advanced troubleshooting methods can help restore functionality. First, try resetting your toothbrush by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears any software glitches that might interfere with the charging process. Next, test your toothbrush with different power outlets to rule out electrical issues. Sometimes the problem isn't with your toothbrush, but with the power source itself. Additionally, check for firmware updates through the Philips Sonicare app. Updated firmware can resolve charging compatibility issues and improve overall performance. Prevention is key to avoiding future charging problems. Maintaining a dry, well-ventilated charging environment significantly reduces the risk of contact corrosion and moisture damage. Clean the charging contacts weekly to prevent buildup of minerals and debris. Regular maintenance is far more effective than waiting for problems to develop. Use distilled water for cleaning instead of tap water. Distilled water contains no minerals that can leave deposits on your charging contacts, ensuring optimal conductivity. The electric toothbrush industry is evolving rapidly. Current trends show a significant shift toward more reliable USB-C charging systems, moving away from problematic inductive charging glasses. Future developments include magnetic charging systems that provide more reliable contact-based charging and the potential adoption of Qi wireless charging standards for universal compatibility. Remember, regular maintenance can extend your Sonicare's charging system life by up to 60%. The key is consistent care rather than reactive repairs.